In this tutorial, I'm going to cover the rest of the Modify 3D tools. So we're going to start on the Shell tool. So for the Shell tool allows you to extrude out of like any shape, extrude a certain amount like a shell. So the thickness controls the amount that you want to keep like on these edges like that. So you can control the thickness right here, and you can add it to the outside or both sides to have the shell like that. And alright, so shut it like that. I'll show you a better example. Okay, so you see how it shut out only, it left 1 millimeter of extrusions over here, so 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter. So this is useful for, you can make all kinds of stuff like bowls, like how I showed you in the other tutorial. It just allows you to extrude out any shape, any thickness you want. Okay, so the draft. This draft allows you to create certain angles. So you pick your direction that you want the draft to be, and then you pick your faces. Alright, so and then you control the degrees that you want the draft to be. And you can control the fixed plane, which is a little different, and parting line, and also control the direction of the draft. Alright, so you see how it made that angle right here, the 4-degree angle. So that's what draft does. I'll show you on the circle. Alright, so you see how it just made that angle right here and that hole right there I made. Alright, so the thread tool allows you to create threads like in holes or outside of holes. So you can choose inside your holes, you choose your face, you can offset it like so 5 millimeters in, 5 millimeters out, and it will only create right there, or you can just do full length. And you also can change your thread type with all these profiles, sizes, class. And I'll show you this too. Alright, so yeah, you can also thread on these rounds over here. Like that. Alright, so next tool, the split tool. So the split tool allows you to split parts in half, or you can use sketches and sketch what you want. So I'll show you. So I'm just going to create spline. and then the split. So I want to split it between this line, and then I'm just going to choose that face. And now you can see that they're split between this line, so these are separate parts. And I didn't figure out what the combine tool does. And so next, move face. So this one allows you to like adjust your extrusions and adjust. You have your manual adjustments that you can type over here. You select your face, and you can also just use this to drag the dimensions. And you also have you can just do that and have a certain distance. So you can adjust the degrees too. Yeah, right. So now for the copy object. So the copy object allows you to just make copies of the 3D. So you can select specific faces or select the whole body, and then select what kind of new geometry that you want to create. So I want to create a surface and I don't want to delete the original. Then just click apply. Alright, so then you'll just get this brownish thing that it shows you that you have a copy. And so you can use this final tool to select your body, and then you use this green part to drag it where you want. And then you can also do offsets to be specific. And then now you have the copy of that and your composite left. Alright, so that's it for this video, and that wraps up the sketching and 3D tools. So the next video I'm going to start working on assemblies.